Guys, today we're starting off the video a little bit different. We are here at Plaza Cycle getting new wheel bearings for the RZR. Those need to be done way past due. We just got home, got the bearings. I gotta put the hitch in the truck and put the hitch back on the trailer to move it because the RZR's in the trailer. Getting the wheels taken off right now. I'm going to show you guys how to take apart your hubs, your axles out, and see what these old bearings look like. I know they need to be done for a while now. They're pretty bad, but as you can see, I'll give you guys kind of a brief look over on the hubs. So on these hubs, all you got to do, you're going to have to take off your caliper, which is just 2 bolts here and here. And then you have to undo your axle nut, get that out. And then you have to undo your upper and lower ball joints on these. And then this whole assembly, once you get your caliper off and these off, when the axle nut's off, the whole thing, when these are detached, will slide off. And then you'll be able to see the wheel bearing on the inside, on the back side of here. I'll show you to you guys when we get it off, but we're gonna hurry and zip through these and get these suckers off. Alright guys, as you can see, I've replaced these axles before. Splines look fine, washers are fine. This sits in here normally. This is what it rides on. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It's got quite a bit of rock in it. Outsides of it are pretty garbage as well. Quite a bit of play in them. If you guys don't know how to tell if you have bad wheel bearings or not, normally grab the tire, shake it top to bottom, back and forth, and you can see your play. It's either 1, your wheel bearings, or 2, your ball joints. Good morning guys. We are on our way to my coworker slash buddy's house to help him move some stuff. He is the one we're going to go to his shop after and press out the old wheel bearings and the RZR hubs and put the new ones in. And we've got to raise a car up that's a little bit lowered for one of my other buddies. Alright guys, here at the shop, we're getting ready to pull the seals, or press the seals out of these. You got to take out these C-clips, which are a little dirty. As you can see, got to pull these C-clips out. We'll get those out, and then we'll head over to the H-frame press and get these new bearings out and put the new ones in. Alright guys, this is the 350Z that my buddy brought in. We are raising the coils on it because he's trying to sell it and wants to get rid of it, but it's too low. So we're going to race these Raceland coils on it while we're here and get it done for him. Alright guys, on this, these are the Raceland coilovers that we're hiring the car so they can sell it, make it easier. Under your bottom locker, turn your locker. These are already pretty far maxed out. As you can see, there's not much left up here. We're just going to almost max them out and get it as high off the ground as we can for them. There you go guys, car raised up now for the new buyer. Now we're gonna head back to the shop, the house, and we are going to get the razor put back together. Alright guys, back in the shop, or back in the house. As you can see, I've already buttoned up this side. Everything is put together and tight. I like to leave the lug nuts on to protect the threads on it. I'm gonna hop over to this side and show you guys. As you can see, obviously we got the new wheel bearings in. With these, putting them back together, I really like to clean all the grease off of here and out of the splines on the axle and the hub. And then I like to put new grease on them. You know, keep them good and clean, and it's always better to have new grease. Even if it doesn't need it, do it anyways, because there's probably dirt and stuff in there. So pretty easy. Grease this up, put this back on, put it on your axle, do your upper and lower ball joints, do your steering rod, and then put your brake caliper back on, and that's about it. Big thing to look at when doing these is these are the washers that go on the axle nut before you put it on your axle. They're flared one way or the other. They've got a ridge in them. If you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a gap in there. If you do it that way, they sit flat, or they're flared out away from each other. Make sure that they go together, so that when you squeeze this keeps tension against your nut, so that it helps it not come undone, along with the cotter pin. I just want to thank you guys for watching, seeing all the stuff I do. Don't you guys forget to subscribe, like, a lot more videos coming to you guys. Thank you for watching so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one.